Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by placing the document where a shareable link can be created. Open Word, sign into OneDrive or SharePoint, and save the file to that cloud folder. Once saved, make sure the sync finished. Word shows a cloud icon or status. Now select File Share or click the Share button in the top right. This begins link creation. You'll choose permissions next, so keep the file open and stay signed in. Now build the actual link and set who can access it. Click Share, then Link Settings or anyone with the link depends on your tenant. Choose View or Edit, set expiration or password if needed, and restrict to specific people for privacy. Once configured, click Apply and then Copy Link. The link is now in your clipboard. If you need an embed or direct download, choose those options before copying. Make sure the permission matches how you want recipients to interact. Finish by pasting the link into your chosen channel and send it. Once done, test the link in an incognito window or on another device to confirm permissions. If someone reports an access error, return to Share Settings, ensure the file is still in cloud storage, and verify the correct permission type or specific people list. One key troubleshooting tip: recopy the link after changing permissions, because the URL can change when settings are updated. Then resend the updated link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.